Hi, hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to another session from All About DC Python tutorial for beginners. Till now, we have been seen about the functions, right? In today's session, we are going to discuss about the most important topic in the Python itself is called decorators. Okay. Still now, we have been seeing so many things regarding Python functions, tools, everything, right? From the import function tools. In the previous session, also we have been discussed about the lambda function. In the lambda function, we have three methods called filter, map, reduce. Also, right? In today's session, we are moving on to another thing called decorators. Okay. Let's say I just want divide a number. Okay. If I want to divide a number, I need to have two parameters, right? Like a and b. Then what I need to return? I need to return a. I need to return a divided by b. Correct, right? And I just want to pass the parameters. Okay. Let's say I'll pass the parameters. Like suppose d is 2 comma 4. And I just want to print. Okay. Instead of returning, I just want to print here itself. Okay. I just want to print. I'll write print statement and I'll print here itself whether what I'm going to get or not. We'll see. If I run this one, I'm absolutely getting zero point 0.5. Correct, right? I'm absolutely getting zero point 0.5. But what if I have the value as 0? It means my b value is 0. What in case if it is happening? Oh, oops. Division by 0 is not x. Means 0 division error will occur, right? In such a case, I just want to modify this code. I don't want to get error. I just want to modify the code and in such a way that it has to be verified correctly, right? So in this case, I'm taking a function called diff check. Okay. It will take an argument called function and we are passing a parameters. We have an option called nested functions also. You can write n number of functions inside a function. So def inside, I need to pass the parameters a and b. If b equals to 0, what I want to print is I just want to print I just want to print can't divide by 0. Okay. If it is there, it means if you are now you are just like writing means you are able to do it. So you can know this is 0, this is not 0. But when you have this code you are writing in one file and you extracting from another file, in such a case you need to have this ability, right? Then I just want to return the function. What is that function? That function will take parameters called a comma b. Correct, right? And I just want what I need to, I just want to return what function? Inside function I need to return. Correct, right? After that, so till this point it is clear. But what I need to do, I need to pass the parameters, right? I need to have a parameters, right? Also, so we need to pass the things. In such a case, what should I do is I'll create div new tag. Will it take check function as input, and inside that I am passing the parameter as div. It means I am passing this div to parameter argument to the this function. Okay, I'm passing this as argument to this one. Okay, so in same case I am passing this div tag, this div tag as a parameter to this check function. It means whatever the function, this function will take the value of, it will take entire this thing. If it is happening, so it will check if it is my b is 0 or not. If it is 0, it can print divide by 0. If it is not, it has to perform the operation and it will execute. Okay, now let's run this one. Will it happen or not? Can't divide by 0, correct, right? Because it is 0, but I don't want this one. I just want print another thing. Okay, so you are absolutely getting 2 comma 4, because irrespective of value of b, another, if you have b not equal to 0, then only it will be happen. If it is not, you can write. And another thing also I just want to check. And in same thing, I just want write inside if block another if block. Okay, whether it means irrespective of 2 comma 4, it means I'm getting 0.5, right? But I don't want whether a or b. Irrespective of that, if a greater than b or a by b, right? So if a greater, b lesser will be happen. If I'm giving a and b as values like 2 and 4, irrespective of that, I need to swap the values. It means I need to get the positive into the irrespective of 0 point I'm not getting. In such a case, how we can do? How we can implement that one? Correct, right? So on such a case, what I need to do? I need to have irrespective is here itself I will change. If a less than b, okay, sorry. If a less than b, I don't want this one. I just want to swap. A equals to b, b equals to c. Okay, will it work? May not work. Let's see. Let's run this one. Whether we'll get right thing or not. No, name c is not, so sorry, b comma a, right? Okay, let's run this one. I am end up with nothing, because I didn't print anything, right? I just want to print this value. Okay, sorry, print div 2 comma 4 value. I just want to print. Okay, let's run this one. I'm getting none, because I didn't mention anything, right? Return a comma b. Okay, let's run this one. I'm getting 4 comma 2. It means it is swapping. After swapping, it is happening. Okay, after that we need to perform this operation. This div has been performed. Then here itself we need to have this one. I hope this is works, right? If I run this code, I'm getting 2.0. It means irrespective of A and B. It means whether A less than B, B less than B. Irrespective of that, according to the numerator should be greater than the denominator. In such a case, I'm getting 2.0. So, in this way, you can do division operation using decorators. I hope this is very clear for you. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box. And if you are not subscribed till now my channel, please subscribe my channel. That makes me do, and hit the bell icon that makes me motivate to do more videos like this way. Thank you for watching.